Alright, I'm going to do an air filter change on the GMC Canyon Diesel. That is the part number, and this is the filter. Interesting, I've never seen anything like this, but they have like a, what do we call this? A felt pad on top of the actual filter itself. I'm guessing it's just another layer of protection. So it is kind of interesting, but I do feel like it will maybe mess with airflow. Who knows? But there it is, made in the USA. Pretty chunky filter. It is kind of spendy. I think I spent 27 plus tax, about 30 bucks on this thing. All right, let's go to the truck. 16651. All right, this is Discovery. I'm looking at the, all right, let's back it up. Don't judge me, it's dirty. So there's one screw, two screw. Let's see, do we see the third? And then the fourth one's right there. And I'm also looking down, I see two tabs, one on each side. I believe that's all it's gonna take in order to get this thing off. Let me go grab some tools. Entering the cave. It's just a Phillips, so I think all I need to do is grab this guy. Should be it. Let's see. And then is there anything else? Probably not. We'll just stick with something very simple. Alright, so, ooh, look at the coloring on that. Alright, as usual, I always like to put on gloves. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Might be challenging, but I'm guessing these lock inside. Yep. I'm gonna do that for all four. I'll be right back. So with every car job, you have to push. There's tabs, so you got to push this way while wiggling out, and that exposes that. Let's do a replacement. Let's see if I can push this up a smidge. Alright. One-handed. Oh, look at how nasty that is. Nasty. So I guess that's why they have that felt element on there. Disgusting. I'm going to grab a vacuum cleaner. Just something that I like to do. I don't do it often, but I like to usually put just a little bit of oil on these threads. It just makes things a little bit easier when you're trying to retighten it back. Not much, just a little bit. And I do that on all four. Grab your A3216C filter, drop her down the hatch, and that should be it. Pretty simple process. It only took me about 5 minutes, but 15 minutes with the recording. Reassemble and crack open a beer. You saved yourself 30, 40 bucks maybe? Job well done. Sayonara.